Fiscal Profile. The recent global scenario and its subsequent effects are expected to have the significant impact on the economy of Goa, which highly serves the sector-dependent state. The gross state domestic product advance of the state of the Goa for the year 26-27 at the current price is estimated rupees 1.31 lakh crore. The GSDP per capita is expected to remain one of the highest in the country, which is 8.18 lakhs. The total expenditure estimated for the financial year 26-27 is 30,195 crores, which indicates the growth of 7.21% over the estimated financial year 25-26. The total receipt projected for the financial year 26-27 stands rupees 29,181 crores, with the project revenue surplus of the budget 1,666 crores. Speaker sir, in the current year, the Goa has received the funds of around rupees 2,078 crores as on the date as a special assistance from the Government of India for the infrastructure development of the state. The assistance is the highest ever received in the history of the state and is only the possible due to double engine, which has accelerated itself towards the Viksit Goa 2037 journey. This year, we are expected assistance to the extent of rupees 1,357 crores, and which from the central government on the various scheme, and additionally 1,600 crores for the special assistance from Government of India. Speaker sir, the effect of the various fiscal reform carried out by my government are visible in the state government. Account finalized by CAC. In the year 24-25, Goa has achieved the revenue surplus of 2,867 crores as per the account finalized by CAC, and which is the highest ever in the history of the state. These results are the testament to the prudent fiscal management practice and the various reform carried out by my government over the last few years. Speaker sir, the Ministry of Finance, Government of India has kept the fiscal deficit to the GSDP ratio at 3% of the GSDP for the financial year 26-27. Considering this, the fiscal deficit of the state of the financial year 26-27 projected to be 3,895 crores, which will be within the limit set by FRBM Act.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.